Boosting your immune system naturally is all about making smart choices. Start with your diet. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies, especially citrus fruits and leafy greens. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Don't forget about garlic and ginger. They're not just for flavor, they're immune powerhouses. Staying hydrated is key too. Water helps your body flush out toxins. Regular exercise gets your blood pumping and strengthens your immune response. And let's not overlook sleep. Quality rest is when your body repairs itself. Finally, manage stress with mindfulness or yoga. Small changes can make a big difference.